Today we will discuss about complex numbers. So complex numbers is the very most important JEE mains. The complex numbers is denoted by Z. Z is equal to x plus iy. Here x is the real part, so y is the imaginary part. So now z bar is equal to x minus iy. Now here z bar is equal to mod z square. Now here argument theta, now z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is e power iota theta. So this is cis theta. Now here cis alpha, cis beta is equal to cis of alpha plus beta. Now here arg z, so that is equal to amplitude of z. So here, so argument z is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Now here, this is the most important. So arg z1 z2 is equal to arg z1 plus arg z2. So arg z1 by z2 is equal to arg z1 minus arg z2. So this is the most important formulas. Now square root of a complex number. Now here that is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Here b is positive. Now here b is negative, so this symbol is negative. Log x plus iy, log z. So the formula is of log of x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. This is the logarithm of complex number. Now here log I is equal to I pi by 2. So log of a minus ib by a plus ib is equal to 2i minus 2i tan inverse of b by a. So this is the logarithm of complex number. Now second one, so distance between z1 and z2 is equal to, the AB is equal to modulus of z2 minus z1. z2 minus z1. Now here section formula, now z is equal to mz2 plus nz1 by, so m plus n. Now here midpoint of the complex number z is equal to of, so z1 plus z2. So now here a z1, b z2, c z3 are the representative vertices. Now representative vertices, then first one parallelogram. Parallelogram, the condition is z1 plus z3 is equal to z2 plus z4. Now here second one rhombus. Now here z1 plus z3 is equal to z2 plus z4 and so modulus of z2 minus z1 is equal to modulus of z4 minus z3. Now third one square. So here z1 plus z3 is equal to z2 plus z4. Now and z1 minus z3 is equal to Z2 minus Z4 and Z2 minus Z1 modulus is equal to mod Z3 minus Z4 is equal to mod Z4 minus Z3 is equal to mod Z1 minus mod Z4. Now fourth one, rectangle. Now here Z1 plus Z3 is equal to Z2 plus Z4 and mod Z3 minus Z1 is equal to mod Z4 minus Z2. Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. So collinear. Now first here Z1 bar 1, Z2 bar 1, Z3 bar 1. So the determinant is 0, then it is a collinear. Or now second one, Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 is purely real. So third one, so argument of Z2 minus Z1 is equal to argument of Z3 minus Z1. So these three cases are satisfied, then it is a collinear. Next one, centroid. So centroid C is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. So next, in center. In center, so that is equal to AZ1 plus BZ2 plus CZ3 by A plus B plus C, where A is equal to modulus of Z minus Z3, where B is equal to modulus of Z3 minus Z1, where C is equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Angle ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. The condition says Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. Now here second condition, Z1 minus Z2 whole square plus Z2 minus Z3 whole square plus Z3 minus Z1 whole square is equal to 0. Now here third condition, so 1 by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1 by Z2 minus Z3 plus 1 by Z3 minus Z1 is equal to 0. Now fourth one, here Z0 is a circumcenter. Z0 is a circumcenter, then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 3Z0 square. It is origin. Now here Z1 square minus Z1 Z2 plus Z2 square is equal to 0. This is the equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle. So Z1 square plus Z1 Z2 plus Z2 square is equal to 0. Let's say a right angle triangle. And right angle triangle, so Z1 square plus Z3 square is equal to 2Z2 into Z1 plus Z3 minus Z2. So this is the Z2 is the right angle. So this is the right angle. Now area of triangles. Area of triangles. So area of triangles, the vertices is Z, so IZ, so Z plus IZ. These are the three vertices. Then, so area of triangle is equal to half modulus of Z square. So second one, so area of triangle whose vertices are, so here by 2 modulus of Z square, then so vertices is Z, IZ, Z minus IZ. Now here area of triangle is root 3 by 4 mod z square. So the vertices is z, omega z, z plus omega z. Most important formula, 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cis n theta. Now second one, 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta by, so 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta whole power n is equal to cis n of pi by 2 minus theta. So these are the most important formulas. So JEE Mains aspirants, listen carefully. So the most important topic is complex numbers. So complex numbers, the easy topic. The complex numbers is divided into two areas. One is purely imaginary and real. So purely imaginary and real parts is given. So then subtopic is so the related between trigonometric equations related between. So one question, some more questions. Z is equal to x plus I y, z bar is equal to x minus I y, z is equal to cis theta e power iota theta. So this related parts, real part and imaginary part is 0 or something is there. This is the second part. Now second model, the maximum minimum value of z. So these two areas, this is the most important. ఈ టూ ఏరియాస్ని కంపల్సరీగా మీరు ఫాలో అయితే కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో 100% we got 4 marks. So here 2025, the question JEE Mains, theta is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Now here 1 plus 10 real part of, so 2 cos theta plus I sin theta by, so cos theta minus 3I sin theta is 0. Then summation of theta square. Now theta is belongs to A. So value. This is the trigonometry part. Here 2 cos theta plus I sin theta by, so cos theta minus 3I sin theta. We know that rationalize. Here cos theta plus 3I sin theta by cos theta plus 3I sin theta. Now only real part. The real part is, the first one is multiply with the first one, 2 cos square theta. So here plus into plus plus. Now I square is there, that is minus 1. So sin theta into 3 sin theta, 3 sin square theta. Now this is the only real part. By here, so cos theta a plus minus b into a plus b, here cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. So that is the only real part. Here 1 plus, the given problem, 1 plus 10, the real part is 2 cos square theta minus 3 sin square theta by, so cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta is equal to 0. Now LCM and cross multiplication. Now here cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta, so plus 20 cos square theta minus 30 sin square theta is equal to 0. Here 20 cos square theta, 1 cos square theta, 21 cos square theta. Here 30 minus 30 sin square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 21 sin square theta. Now 21 is common, that is 21 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So trigonometric ratio, trigonometric equations, cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1, here pi by 2. So n belongs to z. We know that this formula. Now here 2 theta is equal to 2n plus 1, here pi by 2, n is integer. Then theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So that is the general solution. Now the bound is 0 to 2 pi. Now here, so where n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, so on, the integers. Now here theta is equal to, n is equal to 0, that is pi by 4. N is equal to 1, here 3 pi by 4, here 5 pi by 4, here 7 pi by 4. So these are the theta values that lies between 0 to 2 pi. Now here given sum, then that is theta square. Now here, so pi square by 16 plus 9 pi square by 16 plus 25 pi square by 16 plus 49 pi square by 16. So total 81 pi square by 60. So 4 4 ja, 4 2 ja, so 4 1 ja. That is 21 pi square by 4. The answer is 21 pi square by 4. Number 2, here 2024. The sum of all possible values of theta which belongs to minus pi comma 2 pi, for which 1 plus I cos theta by 1 minus 2i cos theta is purely imaginary. Then purely imaginary is equal to 1 plus I cos theta by 1 minus 2i cos theta. We know that rationalizing. So 1 plus 2i cos theta by here 1 plus 2i cos theta. So purely imaginary means real part is 0. Real part means x is equal to 0. This is the most important thing. Purely imaginary, the real part is 0. Purely real part, imaginary part is 0. And y is equal to 0. Ikkada manaki problem x is equal to 0. So what is the real part? 1 into 1, 1. So plus into plus, plus, that is minus, where I square is equal to minus 1. Then cos theta into 2 cos theta, 2 cos square theta is equal to 0. Now cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 means 1 by root 2 whole square. Now here cos square theta is equal to cos square pi by 4. We know that trigonometric equations. Now cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to integers. So this is the trigonometric equations formula. Apply this one. Then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. N is integers. So the integers is n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. So these are the substitutes the integers. Then theta is equal to, so where n is 0, then plus or minus pi by 4. So n is equal to 1. 1 means pi plus or minus pi by 4. Now LCM is 4. So 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. So 4 pi plus 5, 5 pi by 4. Now n is equal to minus 1. Minus pi plus or minus pi by 4. So minus 5 plus minus 4 pi plus 5 by 4 minus 3 pi by 4. So minus pi by 4. So does not exist in minus pi to 2 pi. And so 7 pi by 4. So these are the lies between so minus pi to 2 pi. Now according to sum, now sum of all values means that is equal to pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 plus 5 pi by 4 plus 7 pi by 4. So both gets cancelled. Now here 5 plus 7, 12 pi by 4, that is equal to 3 pi is the answer. That A equal to theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, such that 1 plus 2i sin theta where 1 minus I sin theta is a purely imaginary, then the sum of the element of in A is. So this sum is similar sum. So let S be the set of all alpha comma beta. So pi less than alpha, beta less than 2 pi, for which the complex number 1 minus I sin alpha by 1 plus 2i sin alpha is purely imaginary, and 1 plus I cos beta by 1 minus 2i cos beta is purely real. Let Z alpha beta 2 alpha plus I cos 2 beta, alpha beta is belongs to S, then summation of alpha beta is belongs to S, I Z alpha beta plus 1 by I Z bar alpha beta is equals to same. So two sums mix చేసి ఇచ్చిండు, ఇది మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. Another model, the value of 1 plus sin 2 pi by 9 plus I cos 2 pi by 9 by, now 1 plus sin 2 pi by 9 minus I cos 2 pi by 9 whole power 3 is. So this is 2023 bit. So we know that formula here, cis n of pi by 2 minus theta. So here cis where n is 3. So here pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2, theta is 2 pi by 9. 2 pi by 9. Now cis 3, the LCM is 18. So 9 pi minus 4 pi, 5 pi by 18. So 3 ones 3 6. So cis of 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 means pi minus pi by 6. Now cos pi minus pi by 6 plus I sin of pi minus pi by 6. Now here, so cos of minus cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta, so cos 30 minus root 3 by 2 plus I here 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus I. So this is the answer. One more model. So 2025. So Z is the complex number, then mod Z is equal to 1 now, and arg Z1 is equal to, so minus pi by 4. So arg Z2 is equal to 0 and arg Z3 is equal to pi by 4, and so then the value of mod Z1 Z2 bar Z3 bar plus Z3 Z1 bar whole square is equal to alpha plus beta root 2, then alpha plus alpha square plus beta square is arg Z1 is equal to minus pi by 4. So here Z1 is equal to e power iota minus pi by 4. Z1 bar is equal to e power iota pi by 4. Next, arg Z2 is equal to 0. Now Z2 is equal to e power 0 iota 0, that is equal to 1. So here Z2 bar also 1. So arg Z3 is equal to pi by 4. Now Z3 is equal to e power iota pi by 4. So here Z3 bar is equal to e power minus iota pi by 4. So according to the sum, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 bar plus Z2 plus Z3 bar plus Z3 Z1 bar whole square is equal. Here Z1 e power minus iota pi by 4. So Z2 bar, that is 1, plus Z2 is equal to 1. Z3 bar e power minus iota pi by 4. So into 1. Z3 e power iota pi by 4, e power iota pi by 4 whole square. So here this one, modulus of 2 e power minus iota pi by 4 plus here these two add a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n e power iota pi by 2. So modulus of 2 e power minus iota pi by 4 means so 1 minus I by root 2 plus e power iota pi by 2, that is I whole square. Now here root 2 once, root 2 times, then root 2 plus here I is common, 1 minus root 2 whole square. So apply the modulus and squaring on both sides. So 2 plus this is the squaring on both sides, root 2 square is 2, 1 minus root 2 whole square is equal to, so 1 plus, so 2 minus 2 root 2. So here 5 minus 2 root 2. This is alpha plus beta root 2. Where alpha is equal to 5, beta is equal to minus 2. So find the value of alpha square plus beta square. 5 square is 25, minus 2 square is 4. The answer is 29. So one more model. If Z is the complex number, Z is equal to I minus 1 by cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 is. Now here, so numerator I minus 1, that is equal to minus of 1 minus I. So here, so this is, what is the polar form? The polar form is I equal to, so x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, r is equal to root 2. Now here, so 1 by root 2 plus I minus 1 by root 2. So that is, so here minus 1 by root 2, that is equal to cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. So that is the I minus 1 value is. Now here z is equal to root 2 into cis 3 pi by 4 by, so here this one is cis pi by 3. So root 2 into cis of 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So here root 2 into cis of LCM is 12, that is 5 pi by 12. So the answer is root 2 cis 5 pi by. One more model. So if alpha is a root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 and summation of k is equal to 1 to n, a power k plus 1 by a power k whole square is equal to 20, then n is equal to. The equation is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So equation, then the roots, we know that the roots. So then we know that the roots, minus b plus or minus root or b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Then roots are omega square are the root. Omega square are the root. So here condition omega cube is equal to 1. That means omega into omega square is equal to 1. Here omega is equal to 1 by omega square or omega square is equal to 1 by omega. Now, so these conditions are summation of k is equal to 1 to n a power k plus 1 by a power k whole square means, so here a plus 1 by a, where a plus 1 by omega whole square plus omega square plus 1 by omega square whole square plus omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole square plus omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power whole square plus so on omega power n plus 1 by omega power n whole square. So here omega, 1 by omega means omega square, here whole square, plus omega square, 1 by omega square means omega whole square, plus omega cube is 1, omega cube is 1, 1 by 1 means 1 whole square, plus omega power 4 is equal to omega, so 1 by omega is equal to omega square, plus so on, omega power n, so omega plus omega square whole square, that is equal to 20. Here omega plus, we know that one rule, omega 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square 1. So minus 1 square 1. So 1 plus 1 2 square. So 2 square means 4. Here, so this is 1. So here 1. So this is 4 plus 1. Omega power n plus 1 by omega power n whole square is equal to 20. Here 1, 1, 4, these 3 numbers. Here 1, 1, 4, these 3 numbers. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here 3 numbers, here 3 numbers, here 3 numbers. Plus, so 18 plus 2, that is 2 numbers. Now total how many numbers are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3, so 9, 9 plus 2, that is 11 numbers. Now n is equal to 11.